Good morning to everyone. Good morning all of you. Right. So, we are discussing letter series sums. Yesterday we started. Now, some more examples we can do on letter series. Right. Now, see the first question. Easy one. Let me know the answer. What answer you will get? E, A, dash and O, I. In English alphabets, vowels will be there. I think all vowels are there. So, what you are missing here? Yes. What order is following here? Missing is U only. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, here A is there and A, E is there, O is there. Only U missing. Yes, answer is U. Very easy one. Yes, no need to think about anything about this question. Yes, what order is following here means D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N and dash. What you will get in the question mark place? Yes, right, right everyone. Good morning all of you. Right, yes. Thank you all of you. Right. So, let me know the answer for this question. Let me know the answer for this question. What is given there? You see D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N and what in the place of question mark you will get here. Right. Let me know. Options are there here. 5 options are there. What answer you will get here? Yes. What series is given, what pattern is given and what logic is given here? Just find out what is the answer here. D after F is given, G is given, H is given, J is given and in a pattern one style of pattern is going on. What is the style here? What is the pattern here? So, what is the logic here? What is the rule here? So, what they thought in that manner you need to think and give the answer here. Yes sir. What pattern they followed here? Yes. Tell me what pattern they followed. Consonants they are increasing order. This is D after E is missing. That is a vowel. F, G, H, I is missing here. I is missing. That is also another vowel. So, consonants are writing in increasing order. There is no vowels. Vowels they are dropping. So, E dropped, I dropped. K, L, M, N, O you need to drop here. So, then the letter is P. Consonants are in increasing order. Consonants are in increasing order. Are in increasing order. It means you need to drop the vowels. Consonants are in increasing order. Yes? Okay, right. One more example. Just you see what you will get in the next question. Right? Yes, let me know the answer for this one. Let me know the answer for this one. E, J, O, T, Y and what question mark place you will get here? E, J, O, here also comma is there. E, J, O, here also comma is there. Comma missed here. E, J, O, T, Y. What you will get in the place of question mark? So, E we know as 5th letter and J we know as 10th letter, O we know as 15th letter and T we know as 20th letter and Y we know as 25th letter. So, every term is by adding plus 5 we are getting. So, plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and you will get plus 5 means 30th letter. 30th letter will not be there. 30 means we can write 26 plus 4. So, the 4th letter is D here. The 4th letter is D. Yes. Yes, 25 plus 5 that is 30th letter. 30 means 26 alphabets are there. So, 26 plus 4 that is 4th letter. Yes. 4th letter means that is D. Right. Next example. Just you see what is the next example. G, J, N, Q, U. G, J, N, Q, U. G, J, N, Q, U. Slowly we will go into the deep sums, right? Yes. What is the next answer here? What is the option here? Yes. So J is 7th letter, J is 10th letter, N is 14th letter, 17th letter, 21st letter. So what letter you will get for the next two? What letter you will get in the G, J, N, Q, U. So this is plus 3 and this is plus 4. So this is plus 3 and you will get here plus 4. So plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 you will get again plus 3. So 21 plus 3 24. So 24th letter is X. The series is going on in two manners, plus 3 and plus 4 plus 3 and plus 4 plus 3 and plus 4. Yes. One more example I will give. One more example I will give, right? Yes. Yes. Tell me what is the answer here. BY, CX, EV, GT, KP. So what you will get next place? What you will get next place? BY is given, CX is given, EV is given, GT is given, KP is given. So what you will get in the place of question mark here? Yes, let me know the answer here. What you will get? So this is 2. This one is 2. I am taking the first letters here. This one is 2 and this one is 3. I am taking the first letters in every. This is 5. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number and 11 is also prime number. So the first letter in the series, here mixed series is given, the first letter in the series are prime numbers. The first letters in the series are prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. The first letter you will get again prime number only, that is 13 you will get. So answer starts from 13. In the options only one option is there, that is 13. MN is the correct option because here J, P, R, L all are even numbers, not prime numbers, maybe composite numbers, but the first letters in the series, the first letters are prime numbers. The first letters are prime numbers. Now answer starts from prime number. Here in the options if you check it, only one option is there, starts with prime number, that is M. That one is M. Yes, so answer starts from M. Only one option is there in the options, that is MN. Yes, all of you got it right. Some of you written LO, some of you written LO. Please check your answer. Here the options, the answer first letter started with prime number, So answer starts from 13. Only one option is there, that is M. Right? Did you understand all of you, right? See how to find the second letter also. Here this value is 25, the value is 27 here. Here the value is 27. 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 So the series started with a prime number. The series started with a prime number and sum of the values also 27. 13 plus 14, that is 27. So M and N. Answer is MN. Yes, very good, very good. Many of you written MN, but some of you written LO also. Please check your answer. Once again, we can go for the next question. See once here, what is the next question? Take your own time to get the answer here, right? Yes. Let me know the answer for this question, right? Yes, let me know the answer for this question. What is given there you see? AI, EO, IU, dash and UE. By saying that every letter in the series are vowels only. So very easy one, very easy one. So what answer you will get you see? Very easy one. What answer you will get you see? So AEIOU, AEIOU. So that is started with AEIOU. So the vowels are started in the first letters if you take here. The first letters only if you take here, the series started from A, E-I-O-U. The second letters are started from I. The second letter started from I. O, U, A, E. The second letter started from I, O, U, A, E. So you will get the answer as O, U. Yes, answer you will get as O, U or O, A. Here this place, second place, and here answer is A. Fourth letters we need to get, fourth letters. So the first letter series started from A, the second letter series started from I. So answer will get OA, fourth option. Yes, many of you written yes, very good. Many have written option 4, and some of you written OI. How OI? How? Of course OI, yes. How? Yes, OI. How OI? The first letters are started from A, E, I, O, U. The second letters are started from I. A, E, I, O, U. The second series started from I. O, U, A, E. So you are asking the fourth place. The fourth place is here O. The fourth place is here A. O, A. Not O, I, O, A. Yes. Yes, my students, right? Did you get it, all of you, right? Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Right. One more example I will give, right? One more example I will give. Just you see what is the example here. Yes. Yes. Tell me the answer for this question. AP, BQ, CR and DS. 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 So what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes. What you will get in the place of question mark? AP, BQ, CR, DS and question mark. What you will get in the place of question mark? Depends on alphabets and their place values only. Sometimes consecutive letters also play major role here. So what answer you will get means? A, if you take the first letters, A, B means consecutive letter. C, next letter. The next letter is D. The next letter is E. Yes. P, Q, R, S. The next letter T. Just very easy example. Consecutive letters. The first letter started from A and consecutive letters we are writing. Continuously we are writing the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, and the second one P, Q, R, S, T. So E, T is the answer here. This one first option is the answer here. Yes, first option is the answer here, right? Yes. Can we go for the next question? Next example we can go for the next example. What is the next example you see here? Yes. Now see what is the next example? Yes. See this one, what is the next example? QN, RP, TS, WW and dash FH. What will be there in the place of question mark? QN, RP, TS, WW, question mark and FH. So what is there in the place of question mark? Yes. If you take the first letters here, this is Q, R, T, W, question mark and F is given. I am taking only first letters Q, R, T, W, question mark means one letter you will get here and F. So what is the pattern you see here? Q is 17 and R is 18 plus 1. So T is 20, it is plus 2. So W is 23, it is plus 3. So the series is going on, first letter series is going on, first letter series is going on, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, next you will get plus 4. So plus 4 means 23 plus 4, 27. 27th letter will not be there, 26 plus 1. So 26 plus 1, first letter is A. So here you will get first letter series, you will get A. So A options are 2 are there, either AC or AB. 2 options are there. So keep that in your mind, we will get answer first option or third option. Right? This is the first letter series. What about the second letter series? What about the second letter series? N. Second letters N, P, S, W, question mark and H. So what is the second letter series you see? N is 14th letter and P is 16th letter, plus 2. The second letter series is going on plus 2 and this is 19 plus 3. Started from plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So you will get here plus 5, 23 plus 5, 28. 28th letter will not be there, 26 plus 2, second letter. So this is second letter. So answer is AB. The first letter series is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, like that is going on. And the second letter series started from plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on, it is going on. The answer is AB. The answer is AB, right? One more example we can do. Yes, one more example we can do. See that? One more example. Yes. One more example, just you see one more example. Yes, what is given there you see. Yes, right, see this one. KPD, LOE, MNF, MN, NMG and what you will get in the place of question mark. Yes, yes. So what is the answer here you see? KPD, 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 LOE, MNF, MNF and what answer you will get here? Easy one, if you take the first letters K, L, M, N, O, answer will start from the letter O. So this is not required, this is not required, this is also not required. So out of 5 options, 3 options are not required, only 2 options are remaining. Yes, this is one letter, this is another letter. We will decide the answer here. Yes. So first letters are going on consecutively K, L, M, N, O. So what is the second one? What is the second one is given? P. Second letter series given P, O, N, M and what you will get here. So this is 16th letter, 15th letter minus 1, 14th letter minus 1, decreasing order. Yes. 13 minus 1 and you will get 12. So what is the 12th letter? That is L. Answer decided by the second letter O, L, H. No need to go for the third letter series because first letter we confirmed O, second letter we decided by decreasing order by L. No need to go for, because this is O, N is wrong, then only one option is there, that is O, L, H. Only one option is there, that is O, L, H, right? Now see the next one. See the next one, what you will get. Yes, let me know the answer for this question. Yes. BEP, CIQ, DOR, FUS, GAT. So what answer you will get for the next one? Yes, yes, next one. What answer you will get here? DEP, CIQ, DOR, FUS and GAT and what you will get in the place of question mark, right? Yes, try, you can discuss in seconds. So Two options you are writing, this one you are writing and this one also you are writing. So, which one is correct here? Which one is correct here? Yes, yes, which one is correct here? What is the pattern of first series? Pattern of first letters B, C, D, second, third, fourth, fifth is missing, means sixth written and seventh also written. How means the first letters are B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant, and I, E is vowel. We are not writing. F we written. This is the first letter series. We are writing the first letter series. B consonant, C consonant, D consonant, E vowel we should not write because only consonants are given here, F and G. So, in the first letter series we written consonants, after G, so consonant you need to write, vowel means you need to leave, means you have to drop if it is vowel means. So, B, C, D, F, G, H, answer starts from H. The first letter series if you take, answer starts from H, answer starts from H. Yes, so three options are there, the answer started from H. So, I is not correct. The answer starts from H. So, the second letters will decide the fate of the answer, right, fate of the question, right. What is the second? E is a vowel, I is a vowel, O is a vowel, U also vowel, A. So, E, I, O, U, A, all five vowels we written. So, next it go on continuously, continuous pattern again E, I, O, U, U, E, I, O, U, A. So, answer starts from again E, H, E. So, this is H, I and this is H, I, H, E, V, answer is H, E, V. The first letters are consonants and the second letters are vowels. All vowels written 5. The next continuation again it repeats E, I, O, U, A, again repeats E, I, O, U, A. So, E, H, E, V, the answer is H, E, V. Yes, I is a vowel, vowels are we are writing in the middle, all these are vowels we are writing in the middle. So, answer cannot start from I because of course, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is vowels we are writing in the middle of the series, write H, E, V. P, Q, R, S, T, U is a vowel, that is why V we are writing. Vowels are missing in the first and third letters, sorry, vowels are missing in the first and third letters, we are writing the vowels in the second place. So, first and third letters you need to write only consonants. Yes, answer is H, E, V, right? Yes. You can go for the next question, right? Yes. Give the answer for this question. What answer you will get here? Once again I will explain the previous question. 1 minute. What is the previous question here? Yes. If you take the previous question, why you are getting confused once you see previous question is given that 1 minute, 1 minute I will give the next question, 1 minute. The second places are vowels here. The second places are vowels. E is a vowel, I is a vowel, O is a vowel, U is a vowel and A is a vowel. We are having only 5 vowels, all 5 written here. The next means continuation will follow. Again you will get E will come to this place, I, O, U, A, again means continuation. So, all 5 are completed. Next you will get E only, in the middle place you will get E. So, here cannot start with I, answer starts from H. So, E only one place, that is the first option. B, C, D, F, E missing vowel, G, H. So, answer starts from H, E, V, right? Yes, somebody written H-I-U. 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 Here U is a vowel. We should not write. P is a consonant. Q is a consonant. R is a consonant. S is a consonant. T is a consonant. If you write V, if you write U, it's vowel. We should not write. V you write. First and last letters are consonants. Middle letter is vowel. H-E-V, not H-E-U. U is not H-E-V. First option is correct, right? Yes. Now see the next question. Already given this. Yes. GKF IPC, GKF IPC, LTY PWT UYN. So what you will get in the place of question mark here? Yes. Yes. Let me know the answer here. Yes. What is the first letters process? G. First letters I, L, P, U. So 7th letter, 9th letter, 12th letter, 16th letter, 21st letter. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Next you will get plus 6, 27. 27 means 26 plus 1. Answer starts from A. Answer starts from A. So 27th letter means 26 plus 1. A. Answer starts from A. So this is required and this is also required. Not required, not required, not required. So out of 5 options, only 2 options were required here. Go for the second letter series. Go for the second letter series. What is given in the second letters? It can identify your answer because A, B is given, A, Z is given. Answer starts from A, we know it, and which letter will the second place? Second letters K, P, T, W, Y. So K means 11th letter, 16th letter, 20th letter, 23rd letter, 25th letter. So how you are getting? This one is 11 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. You will get plus 1. So 26. That is Z. So answer starts from A and the second letter is Z. So this is not required. Second letter is Z means answer is A, Z. G. Only one option is there, that is A, Z, G, right? Yes. Yes. Let me know the answer for this question. Question number 14. Yes. Question number 14. Let me know the answer here. What is given there in the place of question mark? After DLB, what you will get the question mark? QLR, JPD, RNU, GNC, SPX, DLB, and in the place of question mark, what will be there? By seeing that 6 letters are there, but answering is very easy, right? What is the answer here? Alternate series if you take, alternate means suppose today Wednesday, alternate day means middle one we will drop and we will take next day as Friday. Today Saturday, alternate days means again you need to come on Monday, alternate days, alternate days. So if you take here alternately, what you will get, you see. Yes, Q, R, drop this one, yes. Alternately I am taking Q, R, yes, drop this one, T. Q, R, S, T. Alternate letters I am taking here. Q, R, S, T you will get. So answer starts from T. Answer starts from T. See, this is not started. This is also not started. This one also not started. This one also not started. Yes, only one option is there. Answer started from T. Answer started from T. Option is fourth option, T, R, A. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Many have written yes, fifth option, right. Yes, fifth option only, right. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, yes. If you take alternately the first letter series, if you take Q, R, S, T, answer starts from T. T, R, A is given. T, R, A is given. L, M is missing, N, O missing, P, Q will miss and R will come. See, second letter series L, N. So, M is missing, O will miss, P is there, Q will miss, R. So, answer starts from T, R, A. If you take the second letters also, we can confirm that T, R, A is the option for this question, right. One more example we can do, right. See this one. Yes, find out the answer for this question, right. Find out the answer for this question. PKC, SPF, XSK, AXN, and what you will get in the place of question mark. If you take the first letter series, first letter P, S, X, A and question mark P, S, X, A, question mark and I. 16th letter, 19th letter, 24th letter, 27th letter. If you go on like that, so plus 3, plus 4, no, plus 5, again plus 3, I think you will get next one, plus 3 plus 5, plus 3, you will get plus 5. So, 1 plus 5, 6th letter you will get, F you will get. So, again you will get plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9th letter. Answer starts from 9th letter, F plus 3 means 9th letter. What is 9th letter is here? No, here we had F. Answer starts from F. So, this not required, this is also not required, this is also not required. Answer starts from F. Only second and third options answers required, because your question mark starts from F. First letter series only taken, plus 3 plus 5, plus 3 plus 5, plus 3 will get. Okay. So, here question mark is there, plus 3, F. Only two options are there. Now, coming to the second letter series, K is here, P is here, S is here, X is here and question mark and F is here. So, what is the pattern here? So, the pattern is here 11th letter and 16th letter. 11th letter and 16th letter plus 5. This is 19 plus 3. See what we did the first letter series, plus 3 plus 5 reverse, plus 5 plus 3. So, next one plus 5 you will get 24th letter. So, plus 3 you will get next one. So, 24 plus 3 27, 27 will not be there, 26 plus 1 A. So, 26 plus 1 A. So, here FCS is not required, FAS. First letter series if you take plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. The second letter series reverse, plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So, answer starts from F, as we know is first letters, FAS, right. Yes. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.